remake Call Me By Your Name by Lil Nas X in 1 hour. And then you can download the Logic Pro X file we make down in the description below. Wish me luck. 3, 2, 1, go. Key, chords, and BPM. Key, follow the vocal melody line. Come on when you want, come on when you need, come on when you're on the way. Key, A flat minor. Chords, D sharp major, E major, and D sharp major again. Lots of chromatic movement. BPM, click along to the track. Call me, I'll be on my way. Totally wrong. BPM, 89. Time, 4 minutes, 38 seconds. Feeling good. Got a coffee and ready to go. Let's start off with the drums. Soca beat, which is 1, 2, and 3, 4. Latino vibe. Let's go with 178 BPM. Splice for everything nice. Downloads, drums, clap, clap, clap. That guy sounds kind of cool. On the 1 and the 3 for the minute. That kick's so ringy. Flex pitch, polyphonic. Let's see how it sounds if we shorten it. It's way more impactful. We always need more claps. Ooh, count. Lovely. That guy sounds relatively authentic. Maybe. Oh, that sounds really nice. We're going to have all the claps hit at different times. I talk about this technique in my drum production tutorial, which you can check out there. Ooh, wow. The kick is hitting with it. Change that kick really quickly. Really quickly. Throw the count in. Let's see how he does. Which ones do we like? So we got our marquee tool, and then on the second bar, there's no kicks. Tambourine. Do a percussion, kind of like this. Add that guy in. Another one. Let's go for it. SMT hat. Not bad. Progress. On the 2, there's some tambourine percussion, but it's like really gentle. Yeah. Cha-cha, cha. Cha-cha, cha-cha. Go for it. Let's go with this. That's pretty much it. That's good enough to start with. Ooh, I got my 250 steps on. Well done to me. While sitting. 17 minutes, 3 seconds. Let's get that bass in. It's got beef. La boof. Serum and the Reese bass preset. Follows the melody. That Reese bass is so huge. Let me turn that down a little bit. Oh, that is groovy. For the second time round, it doesn't go to the E. So if the notes overlap, the synth will glide between the notes. Command or cross and delete the last note. Let's leave the sub bass there for a second. 21 minutes, 25 seconds. That was ultra fast. Probably as fast as I've done anything. What do we have next? Guitar. This man is a definition of speed. Going to try and record it in with my SM7B here. So it's going in thirds. Gorgeous. Oh, let me use this. Oh, wow. I'm getting fancy. Ugh, camera problems. Let's go for this. How did that go? Pro Strimmer is right. Now that's something we can work with. Some of these notes are out of time. So what we can do to fix that is flex pitch, rhythmic. Logic is really intelligent. It will pick out the transients. Move some of the transients to the right time. So we can see the big transients on the and of 2 and on the 4. Beautiful. That's a bit quiet. So let's hit it with some saturator. Go with Saturn 2. Gorgeous. 31 minutes, 2 seconds. That took me a little bit too long. I still have hope, I think. Let's record the pre-chorus, which has the chords. Let's see if I can get this right. Something like that. Last chord doesn't actually play. Nice. Color orange. Lovely. 34 minutes, 47 seconds. That was quite fast, for me at least. Coffee can't be underrated. It definitely helps. Pre-chorus. Give that a blue. Copy across those drums. Banjo. Quantize those. So there's 2 of these. Let's go with Caribbean steel drums. And we'll copy that across. I can't stop saying gorgeous. Gorgeous. And we'll just color them a light purple. Cool. Oh, let's get the sub bass in on the post chorus as well. 40 minutes, 20 minutes left. I'm going to need at least 10 minutes for the vocals. We'll do the lead vocal live. I think we're in a good place. We're nearly there, I think. Bass for the post chorus. Second time round, it goes... Yeah, very good. That's more like it. Tasty. There's our sub bass. 45 minutes, 50 seconds. Okay, I'm just after realizing the banjo accents the soca beat. That is so cool. It's like the smallest details that just add so much to the rhythm. Nice. I'm going to sing the lead vocal live. 49 minutes, 35 seconds. 10 minutes left. We can do this. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Get a double. That's out left. Going to need the lyrics for this one. Call me when you want. Call me when you need. Call me in the morning. I'll be on my way. Same thing out the right hand side. Call me up by your name. I'll be on the way. Oh, missed the second half. Try that. Second half. Right, key pitch crack. It's following a B major scale, I'm pretty sure. More double down the center. Call me what you want. Call me when you need. Call me in the morning. I'll be on the way. Keep missing the second half. It comes in so fast. Gorgeous. Up the octave. I'm going to put this in my harmony section so it's nice and airy and out wide. Should be a little bit easier for me to sing. That's more in my register. 53 minutes, 45 seconds. We're doing great, lads. We're actually flying now. I think we might do it. We might do it. Come on, guys. Stop talking to you. Stop. Call me when you want. Call me when you need. Call me in the morning. I'll be on the way. More water. Keep going. Fade those two. Harmony out the other side. Call me out by your name, mommy, I'm away like Yes, very good. Grab them all, command, fade. Beautiful. Okay, a bit of tuning on them will be fine. 56 minutes, 30 seconds. Put in our impacts and risers there. That'll definitely help, and our white noise. Definitely need to work on those in the mixing stage, and we'll do one at the end as well. Lovely. Okay, with 1 minute left, need to do the backing vocals for the pre-chorus. I think I've bitten more off than I can chew here. Here we go. Cocaine, drinking with your friends. You live in the dark, boy, I cannot pretend. Beautiful, we missed a few words. Let's just do that side. Ah. I'm not phased, only here to sin. If even in your garden, you know that you can. Hey, and that's time. 1 hour. Hey, we did it. Let's just sing the lead vocal live. Coming to you live from New York. Actually Dublin, but close enough. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to hit the like, subscribe, and bell notification button. Really does help the channel out, and you'll get to see more videos like this. If you want more detail about these breakdowns, I make it live over on Twitch, so that's the place to go. The links are down below. Links down below. I can't even speak. All right, we have a listen to the full thing. I should be rude not to. Here we go. Here we go. Time to sing live. Cocaine, drinking with your friends. You live in the dark, boy, I cannot pretend. I'm not phased, only here to sin. If even in your garden, you know that you can. Call me when you want, call me when you need. Call me in the morning, I'll be on the way. Call me when you want, call me when you need. Call me in by your name, I'll be on the way. Like you. We did it. That track is so much fun. No like it, no lighty. Definitely lighty.